Cool. Hi everybody, I am Harshit. अच्छा यहाँ पे किस किस लोगों ने प्यार किया है? बस इतने से लोग हैं। आवाज
मैंने किया, सबने किया।
प्यार किस किसने किया? था चलो था। अच्छा कितने लोग यहाँ पे घोस्ट हुए? घोस्ट हुए? How many people have been ghosted in life? जितने प्यार नहीं किया उस साथ घोस्ट हुए यहाँ पे। ठीक है तो अच्छा कितने लोग हैं जो घोस्ट हुए फिर जब लाइफ एकदम सेट जा रही थी ना, लाइक जब पूरा रिकवर कर लिया था तब वो वापस लौट के ये पोएम उसके लिए लिखी गई है, उसी रात लिख दी थी, मतलब 3 पेज, मतलब उनका कॉल आया, फोन रखा, 4 पेज की
फोन उठाया था।
इसे होप तो जिंदा रखते हैं। तो प्यार में और हार्ट ब्रेक में दोनों में कंटेंट बहुत मिलता है, तो अपने लिए सही चलता है बार। सो इस पोएम का अभी तक टाइटल नहीं है, और जो पोएम वो इंग्लिश में है, इंट्रोडक्शन हिंदी में था, बट ठीक है। सो द आइडिया इज as I mentioned about somebody who ghosted and then they came back and life was almost perfect, okay? And so I am a sucker for analogies, ठीक है? तो मैं ऐसा लाइफ में मेटाफर्स ढूंढता रहता हूँ जगह जगह, ठीक है? तो इसमें एक मेटाफर पकड़ के पूरी पोएम लिखी है, तो सब बंधे रहना, ठीक है? मेटाफर से बंधे रहना बहुत मुश्किल होगा, बिल्कुल कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा, ठीक है? तो चालू करते हैं, ठीक है? I am a person of love, and people, they make a home in my heart. If you meet it for the first time, it will host you at a B&B. Nothing fancy, just a standby arrangement, a quarantine facility of sorts probably, just to screen and complete some formalities. If you choose to stay longer, on the next Wednesday afternoon, I'll take you for a walk in this little neighborhood of mine. And either instantly or over time, we'll find a spot for your home to shine. Every time we meet, we'll work on it a little. We do the paint job with the colors of our laughter, the interiors with the souvenirs of our expeditions, the gardening with the bushes of our never-ending conversations, the plumbing, the utilities, and so on. In the neighborhood, all kinds of properties you'll see. We have penthouses and villas, hideouts and bungalows, apartments and colonies, and all the jazz in between. No rentals really. The heart doesn't like to ask for a fee. It's been 25 years now. That's my age. And with a bunch of unreplied postcards and a couple of unacknowledged desert parcels, over time we have refined our contract to be. Each one has a house of their own, but the land, yes, the plot still belongs to me. So the idea so far is कि जब आप लाइफ में आ रहे हो तो मेरे दिल में घर बना रहे हो, उस घर को हम लोग मिलके साथ में बनाएंगे, ठीक है? तो हम लोग जो मेमोरी साथ में बना रहे हो उसका लुक, उसका डिजाइन सब हम लोग साथ में बनाएंगे, ठीक है? बट आफ्टर इयर्स ऑफ हैविंग दीज होम्स बिल्ट, आई रियलाइज कि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में कुछ चेंजेस करने पड़ेंगे, ठीक है? तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में भी चेंज ये है कि पहले ऐसा था कि घर आपका, जमीन आपकी, ठीक? अब ऐसे कि घर तुमने बना लिया, जमीन मेरी भी है अभी भी, तो जमीन अभी भी मेरी है। अब इसके बाद आगे का पार्ट, ठीक है? So when the heart feels heavy or starts aching mildly, I put on the maintenance hat and leave for a recce. And after some long hours of work, I'm able to figure out what the cause had been. Oh, I have seen it all. Ones who have extended boundaries illegally, ones who have stolen from or damaged other properties. But you know what hurts the most? The ones that moved out by lying to my face that they were just stepping out for grocery. Oh, what a mayhem it sets free. My heart, it declares code red immediately and starts suspecting all other houses for a breach. roundtable meetings, brainstorming sessions, contemplating whether to demolish or to keep. This abandoned home in the middle of my heart, of unacknowledged feelings it reeks. Oh, I do try to protect the space for a while, sometimes even beyond their emotional lease, as a castle of memories, or perhaps as a crime scene left untouched till the investigation is complete. But see, there's only so much space that is free. So with a heavy heart, I step out with my JCB to take it down carefully and quietly. I wouldn't lie, I do take 2 bricks from the debris, one for a museum of memories and the other for the Great Wall of Learnings. So love, if someday you walk back unannounced, after having abandoned your home for far too long now, try not to freak out. It's a call the welfare society had to take to keep the neighborhood safe. You can still crash for a night or two if you like. There may be a space in the old B&B just outside. I'll book you a cab if you like. Cause while you came and went casually, my heart, my walks and my Wednesdays, I've learned to protect them gradually. That's it. Thank you so much.